player, Bata Liwanag, laban sa team ng Barangay Salvacion. Boses up, Panison, magandang gabi at siyempre nagpapasalamat tayo sa lahat po naman na dito at nanonood at nakasubaybay din sa First Cup Third District Inter Barangay Basketball Tournament. At ito po yung laglagan the round 6 barangay winner ng Barangay Liwanag ng Nasi Cap Dodi de la Cruz. The Mr. Long Bang sa purple Barangay Salvacion de la Cruz number 11 at the line. The first free throw by De La Cruz, jersey number 11. Nason, itong nasa team ng mga taga-barangay po ng Salvacion dahil lahat po ng malaking bound for Barangay Salvacion. Divera first. Nakasin na pa ng free throw by Divera. Good for 2 points. Balik sa bandang wakali De La Cruz, getting in. And the ball up. Too strong. Duncan, reload. Basketball count. Team din tayo ng Barangay Salvacion at Barangay Liwanag. Talagang napakaingay din tayo. Bagaraga, paborito yan. Sama tayo ng bola. Number 22, going to number 3. Mabigat na naman po ito na papalod natin. Shot knock down to 2. And Gutierrez still up on. Yes, sir! Good for Burgos. Hitting by Hagis. Yan po yung kagabing pilon. Baka post to Gary Hagis. Yung mga peak player ng Barangay Salvacion nasa loob na. Kasama pa itong Bagaraga. Agad biglang pumasok na yung mga P-player. Yung mga inaasahan, nandito na to complete the performance frame. 10-9, 1 point lead. Suliat na may tangan ng bola. Iniwan ng Bakatos. Sa Barangay Liwanag, laban sa team ng Barangay Salvacion. Magandang ikutan ng bola sa magkabilang team. Infield, the SK Chairman. Puts it up for Pumas at the window. Infield, tutulong na rin. 4-5 puntos na ilaw na ngayon po'y kalamangan mga kaibigan. Liwanag kontra sa team ng Barangay Salvacion. Infield, the poison. The hot pass. Bang, 3 points. Mga Liwanag at ang tinatawag nating poison ng Barangay Salvacion sa North Conference. Kinayong T-Box. Warning for penalty. Dahil sa nagpapalito, ball shot. Divera. Yes, ha. Ang batang Tisoy, titignan natin kung aapoy. Yes, naapoy nga. Yan ang kauna-unin po kaibigan, SK Chairman from Barangay ng Salvacion, Honorable SK Chairman Doroteo. At ganun po ng ating naglalaro player from Liwanag. May tangan ng bola tangke. Going for Kwame. Hindi Divera magmimite sa kanyang tutok na tangke. Divera, lumusot pa yun. Talagang lamang na. We have only 10 seconds on the shot clock. Mariano going for the Garaga, the P-Border. Patay sila doon. 3 points. May biglang pasabog mula kay Dagaraga mula sa 3-point area. Batlyanera. Nasukal pa limiter. And this time, go Arroyo, jersey number 1. Hit in. Llanera going for the Laparan. Basketball count. 4 points. Yung 14 ng Batang Liwanag. And De La Cruz, wide open. Llanera. Jumper for 2. Basketball count. Sa barangay, Engineer Workers Cup, paging sa atin ng ating attorney Hila Costa Jr. at ng ating Engineer Workers Party List. De La Cruz, bang, 3 points! Hit the 3 points. Kasalukuyan ang ating Barangay Liwanag, De La Torre. Binigyan bola kay Llanera. Llanera looking for space. Magat po, Pix Robinson. Llanera, kasama-kasa. Good for 2 points. Hindi na Torre, isang laban sa dalawa. Lalapin pero nakakabawi ng isang magandang sukalpan. Match for Team Barangay Liwanag, it's a tie. 3 minutes and 53 seconds to go for the opening half second quarter. Duncan on the way. Medyo kanipisan yung nakimpaw. 2 minutes and 56. Now at the line for a couple of shots. Sa dalawang charity shots mga kaibigan. First, last in the bottom free throw by Gutierrez. Let's take a look at the basket. Good for 2 balls by Gutierrez. Sa anak ng Kapitan De La Cruz, sasalaksak na. Harasin by Silveto, good by De La Cruz. Pagback, tudol si Tauki to the rescue. Habang sa ilalim nagkakapulitan mga kaibigan sa San Jose, good for Gutierrez. Kaboom! Gutierrez for 3 points! Wala kay San Jose. San Jose may tangan ng bola. San Jose on flight. Jumper for 2 points. Tiradang kang marins mula sa may gupitang paran. We have only 10 seconds to go. Walang saglit na namin ng oras. Lumusot kay Tangke. Maganda kayo para kay Gutierrez. Good for two. Naglaban sa team ng Barangay Salvacion, A.K. The Poison. Maganda yung pag-switch ng direction. The shifting direction jumper. Lugod Benedesma, back tanke. Using his monstrosity. Kasama rin po natin sumusuporta. Pinoy Workers Party List 122 sa Balota for 2025. Another basket. Out of naging malabo pa mga kaibigan. Wala pang calibrated for the third period na ating ball game sa mga player at mga piyesa. But speaking of calibration, biglang na-calibrate 26. Tanki may daan na bola. Good for De La Cruz. Benedesma on flight again. Good for 2 points. Pasok na. Tanki at the line. The first free throw by Tanki. Good for 1. Iwanan. With 6 minutes and 9 seconds to go. Last na pa ng free throw by Tanki. Good for 2 points. Sumisilip dito sa ating pong basketball action. Hindi po napapanood ang second kabarangay. Hatid sa atin ang ating attorney Hila Costa ng 3rd District of Palawan. Outside jumper. Ang Batang Alcantara kasi simula pa lamang. Bang! 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 3 points! For the jersey number 50. Good for 1 by Pacosa. Substitution on the court. One for the third period of this basketball game. Henagris got the catch and shoot. Way from downtown. Henagris. Bang! 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 3 points! In the time mula sa batang wakali. Shot back down to third. Stealing by Nagaraga. Nagaraga directing traffic. Pagbigyan! For 2 points by San Jose. Ulit goes in Ating City. Naman sa mga taga-sentro ng city ng Puerto Princesa. Talagang sa katawan pa lang, kitang-kita mo na talagang mga taga-city yung pagiging malaking bata nitong Tanke. Impil, crossing in, one, loose boom! Good for 2 points. The silky smooth play, 10 seconds to go. 8 seconds remaining time. Benefeo from downtown to 3 points. Yung pa rin napapanood mga kaibigan ang ating base ng final quarter. Basketball count for 2 points. Malapit na tayong matapos. Ito na po yung last quarter ng ating last game ngayon gabi. Outside jump from Benefeo. Bang! 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 3 points! Isang malaki ng mga tagaliwanag. And the super shot, Benefeo. Hindi pa makakalasan mula sa 3-point area. San Jose jump from bang! Mukhang na mga kaibigan. Pray. Last in the final free throw by Pacorsa. Pacorsa, good for 1 point. Minuto at 20 saglit yung nalalamig oras for the final period. Outside jumper in field. Bang! 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 3 points by Dennis. Number 22 at the line for a couple of shots. First free throw, good for 1. Pongga Chairman ng ating Sangguniang Kabataan, Honorable SK Chairman Jericho Riel, thank you so much sa pag-prepare ng ating palaruan. 3 minutes and 8 seconds to go, 65-43 in favor by 22 points. Liwanag team, our first free throw, good for 1. Shot clock down to 7. Okay, 100, yes sir! Dinatonic going for infield, the SK Chairman, may tangan ng buko for team ng Batang Liwanag, 2 minutes and 10. Free throw coming up for Ledesma for the end one play. Ledesma last free throw, good for 1, substitution. Good for 2 points by Kobe. Isang minuto at 40 saglit yung nalalabing oras para sa ating fourth quarter. Nagaraga, bang! 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 3 points! Idol, walang papasok. Sir, wag na. Kuya, wag na. Relax lang, wag na kayo. 1 minute and 20. Agnes Lebron, kinaliwa pa. Yes, sir! Good for 2 points. 2 puntos. Good for 2 points by Canada. 23.5.